Hey there. Have you ever wondered how all your devices talk to each other or how you can send a cat meme across the planet in seconds? Well, it's all thanks to computer networks. Today, I'm going to break down what exactly a computer network is in a way that's super easy to understand. First off, let's get the basics out of the way. A computer network is just a group of computers and other devices connected together so they can share information and resources. Imagine it like a big digital spider web where each strand links different devices together. Now, there are two main types of networks: local area networks, or LANs, and wide area networks, or WANs. A LAN is like the network in your home or office. It covers a small area. Think of it as a cozy family gathering where everyone is in the same room. On the other hand, a WAN is like the internet itself, vast and expansive, connecting devices from all over the globe. It's like a massive international conference call. So how do these networks actually work? Well, they use a combination of hardware and software to make things happen. The hardware includes things like routers, switches, and cables. Routers are like traffic cops, directing data to its correct destination. Switches are more like multi-way junctions, allowing multiple devices to communicate simultaneously. Then there's the software side of things. This includes network protocols like TCP/IP, which are basically rules that determine how data is sent and received. Think of them as the grammar and punctuation of digital communication. You might be asking, why should I care about computer networks? Well, great question. Networks allow us to share files, access the internet, play online games, and even work from home. Without networks, our digital lives would be a lot less connected and a lot more isolated. Let's not forget about wireless networks like Wi-Fi. These are super convenient because they let you connect without any pesky cables. Your smartphone, laptop, and even smart fridge can all join the party thanks to Wi-Fi. So, to wrap it all up, a computer network is a bunch of connected devices sharing information. They can be small like a home network or huge like the internet. And they use a mix of hardware and software to make it all happen. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of what a computer network is. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.